What up, peeps? Storms Fury 777. On my way to get some lunch, getting the other videos made. Odds breakdowns uploading, but by the time you see this video, it'll already be out. Okay, ticket number 9, 14, 3, 27, 8, or 26, 29, 31, dreaded 40, 13, one off for the 9, 33, 11, 38, 4, 32, 19, 7, 28, one off again, 39, 20, 18, and 23. Alright, so that is nothing. Alright, but first one I got two of them today. And we've pulled a 10x again. Hopefully not a fake multiplier. 13 and 34. Alright, so underneath the 10x. Oh, it's crunched. At least be a 5. Son of a bitch. Fake multiplier. Alright, I was worried about that. Alright, Storms Fury 777 saying peace out. Alright, peeps. Storms Fury 777. This is a different row. This is ticket 5. I have another 10x. This is at my local soda run store, so 22. So hopefully this 10x will be better than the other one. 16, 18, 28. Looks like that's also going to be by itself. 27, 11, and a 26. That is wide. That is wide. No, it's not. It's displaced. It's another friggin' fake multiplier. Son of a gun. I thought that was wide. It was just the $2 amounts displaced. Ugh, well, that's the ugliness of this ticket. Alright, hold on. Alright, so that's the ugliness of this. Alright, so we have ticket 6. The other one's from a different row. I'll follow up to a different row on a $10 spot. Alright, so 637, 328. I mean 28. Or 11. So, I don't know. It looks like the soda run store may have got a bunch of duds. So, 7, 18, 32, 19, 21, 40, 34, 38, 4, 16, 32, and that's a 39. Alright, so that's nothing on that. So 10x fake styles. Alright, Storms Fury 777 saying peace out.